Hey, what is up, guys? So I'm back with another video, and in today's video, we're gonna talk about Coursera's ninth birthday. Yes, you heard me right. Coursera is celebrating its ninth birthday on this month, on the month of April. Some of you might know that Coursera was founded in back in 2012 on the month of April, and the developers of Coursera are celebrating. Ninth birthday of Coursera this year, and they are giving away some premium certifications. And you can avail those certifications and add them to your resume and get a job. I don't know. The link to this website, to Coursera's website, you can just Google Coursera and you can land on the official website of Coursera, but this page is not visible on the official website, and you need this link to reach this page. Okay, you can Google, of course, that Coursera birthday 2021, and this shall be the first link popping up, or you will be finding this link on the first link on the description under my video, of course. And let's go. As you can see, free learning from Coursera's birthday. Coursera is turning 9 by is turning 9. Okay, by earning a free certificate, I don't know. Okay, they are giving away certificate, and you need to remember this date. Like you need to register in one of these 9 courses. They are giving only one course for per account registered. So if you have multiple accounts, you can do multiple courses. I guess, but that would be cheating the website, I guess. They are giving only one for each account. You shall do one. I don't know. If you want, you can do all the 9 courses if you have 9 different accounts, of course. I don't know. The last date for registering in any one of these courses is 30th April of 2021. You better get registered in any one of these courses before that time, of course. And these are very premium courses, you can tell. The first one is from Duke University, and the second one is from Amazon Web Services. The third one, University of Michigan. These are very premium courses, and you can see there is financial planning for young adults, and there are some creative, like some. This one is for music and wellness. I don't know uh, who will do this. I won't. Uh-huh. Yay. I'll be interested in doing this one from Google Cloud, and uh, just go to this website and register on your in any one of your favorite course and get that certification. It's free, and it's the corona has stopped us from doing college and all the events, so you have plenty of time to complete the process. And as soon as you click on, let me show you, when you click on some course like this, you will be taken to the course website, like the courses page. Here will be the detail. Here will be an enroll button. Yeah, it's here. My internet is a little bit slow as it is recording as well. Like the screen record, it's a old laptop usually. Okay. At the time of checkout, your like the course will be free. So if you click on enroll for free, you shall if you have an account, you shall just sign in right here, like sign up, or if you have an account, you can log in. Yeah. Okay. And yeah, just go do it. See something if you this Amazon was one is really good. It has already been 37,606 students already have enrolled in this course only, and just do some courses and learn something new. And if you found this video helpful, do recommend this to your friends who are trying to get some courses, but Coursera is it's an expensive learning site, learning platform actually. So especially if you are in India, or like the East Asian, Southern Asian countries like India, Bangladesh. Sri Lanka, Pakistan. I don't know. I'm making this video for my friends and I'm taking names of India, Bangladesh, Pakistan. Nobody's gonna watch from there. Okay. So go to the website. You will be finding the link in the description, and you shall enjoy your courses and get certified. I'll take a leave now. I'll get back to you. Oh, and I'll be continuing the Linux series on my channel. I had to stop because I had some exams going on. I'll be posting really soon. Okay, thank you for watching. Bye.